Everyone, I'm back now with Baby, Mummy and Daddy, or Mini, Midi and Maxi waterfall albums. So our class is Mini. The Mini one holds 3x3. The Midi holds photos 4x6, and the Maxi holds photos 6x4. So if I give you a quick look. So this one, the Midi is using PS I Love You. So you open it up, put photos here, and it's the same as before. So you've got your waterfall, and then you've got the insert and cover to go. Now you can fit where you've got this, that actually is 4 1/8 by 6 1/8, so you can put pictures, your photos, straight on. This is 6, so you'd either crop your picture just small amount, or it will fit edge to edge. So then this is the PS I Love You, so you can see like so, and then there's 2 lots. You can put 4 photos in each one of those. That's the front and the back, so that's that one. And then the Maxi is photos that are 6x4. Again, I've put patterned paper because I don't like black card, but if you just put one piece of patterned paper there, because that's where the magnet is, then the rest of them, as you can see, I've done it so you can see, you can just put your 6x4 photos. Again, this measures, I think it's 6 inches in height by 6 1/8. So you could either put a horizontal picture or put a portrait one literally top to bottom. So that's this one, and then you got this one, and then you got that one. So that is, I hope it's okay, Vicky, is the triplet waterfall albums. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.